Marriage is God's decree. God's design, God's desire, and God's decree. Pag sinabing decree, meron siyang batas na binitawan. Ano po ang batas niya? Matthew 19 verse 6. Hindi na sila dalawa, kundi iisa. Kaya't ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng sinuman.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that.
Hi, babe. Or rather, babe. Naalala mo pa yun? Nagsimula tayo sa endearment na yan hanggang sa naging jowa, naging love, at ngayon, ano ba? Darling? Sweetheart? Mrs.? Asawa ko? Kahit ano pa yan.
You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us.
Anak, alam mo naman na mahal ka namin ni mama mo. And I wish you all the best.
Tanging mapapayo ko lang sa inyo na, Joyce, magmahalan kayo, magkaroon kayo ng respeto sa isa't isa. Mas importante sa lahat yun, tiwala nyo sa isa't isa, huwag nyo mawawala yun, at sana maging inspirasyon din kami sa inyo. Congratulations, nak, sa inyo ni Joy.
Thank you, ma.
Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love.
Jason, ikaw ba ay nangangako na ibibigay mo ang iyong sarili, ang iyong pag-ibig, ang iyong pagsisilbi, ang iyong pangunguna para sa iyong kabiyak na si Joy habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Yes po. Ito yung gift niya, tingin ko kasi lagi kong pinaparinig sa kanya eh. Hindi, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng ganito kasi gusto mag-try ng bagong hobby. Knowing Joy na napaka-thoughtful kapag may mga ganun. Suportado siya lagi sa akin sa mga hobbies ko. Simula sa pag-rides hanggang sa kahit maliit na hobby.
Dumaan tayo sa napakaraming pagsubok, sakit at di pagkakaunawahan. At doon ko mas nakita kung gaano mo ako kamahal. Kasi kahit nasa punto na ako ng buhay ko na hindi na ako kamahal-mahal, mahina at nawawalan ng ganas at pag-asa, ni minsan hindi mo ako tinalikuran.
You look so beautiful in this light. Your silhouette over me.
Salamat hindi natin pinilit yung panahon na hanapin ng isa't isa. Pero si Lord, dinala niya tayo para makilala natin ng isa't isa. Minsan na akong hindi naniwala sa pag-ibig or sa pagpapakasal. Pero nagbago to nung dumating ka.
Just say the word and I will disappear into the wilderness.
Pero pinapangako ko na hindi ako susuko kapag naging mahirap na. Haharapin natin ang mga pagsubok na magkasama at ibabato lang natin ito sa mundo.
So that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love. So in love. So in love. So in love.
I was 7 years old. That was the last time na kasama namin sila. I am thankful na kahit wala sila dito, ayan, nandyan sina kuya, sina ate. They supported me throughout my journey hanggang ngayon na new chapter na ng buhay ko. Ay, wow! Ay, wow, may pa-letters! I know how much you love capturing memories from every moment. I hope this first gift helps you to keep those moments to your heart. For the second gift, kahit hindi man natin sila nakasama ngayon, I hope this helps remind you that they're always with us in your hearts. Lola, thank you for this. Pinayak mo ako. Joke lang.
Para kay Joy, ikaw ba ay nangangako na ibibigay mo ang iyong sarili, ang iyong pag-ibig, ang iyong pagsisilbi sa iyong kabiyak na si Jason habang kayo ay nabubuhay?
Yes po.
Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me.
Sa isang dosenang future kids namin, kung naikiniwan kayo, mga anak, kung mapapanood nyo to someday, ito kami ng nanay nyo, pinapangako namin, nagagawin namin lahat tulad ng ginawa ng mga lolo at lola nyo sa amin. Again, love, asawa, darling, pinapasalamatan ka ng Diyos na nakilala at pinakalala ka niya sa akin. And I will be forever be grateful for our life together. Mahal na mahal kita, asawa ko.
So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love.
Salamat Jason Albert Paciente Montenegro sa buong pusong pagmamahal sa akin. God bless my love at mahal na mahal kita.
In the moment I knew you better.
Yan. Babalahin ko po sila, no? Ikaw mag-ibigay ako na. Pwede ba saktan na lang, boss?
What if we walked into the airport and bought a ticket at the counter?
Kung si Yeng Constantino may jeepney love story, tayo merong tricycle love story. Sa tricycle talaga. At yun din yung araw na ayoko nang bumaba muna sa tricycle sa sobrang saya ko. And years have passed, mas lumalim pa yung pagkakilala natin sa isa't isa.
Let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without us. We'll disappear somewhere. If it's you and me, I'll be there. Let's drive to Vegas. Your own Mercedes. Just wanna rain this. Take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy. So are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas.
Gagamba yan. Ba dyan, tarantula. Guys, pakilista na lang yung mga nakakuha, ha? Yung Gcash ko mamaya, send ko.
Sabi nila, swerte ka sa akin. Bukod sa maganda na. Agree? Talented pa.
Gas station coffee in the console. Bare feet out the window. Reading the shoes of people.
Meron pa po isang tanong. Meron po bang gustong tumutol? Baka meron po. Ayan. Mukhang alanganin yung tututol, ha.
Yeah, strapped to Vegas. Your own Mercedes. Just wanna rain this. Take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy. So are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. And while we're out there, we can see the Grand Canyon. It's been on my list since I was a little kid. But honestly, if it doesn't go just like we planned it, I don't care as long as it's just you and me.
At syempre, Jason, sa pagkakataong ito na ang hinihintay ng marami. Hindi lang ikaw ang naghihintay, kundi lahat. You may now kiss your
Let's
bride.
drive to Vegas. Your own Mercedes. Just wanna rain this. Take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy. So are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. I know I'm crazy. Crazy about you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas.
Welcome to the future. Got to blast off, yeah, you can call me super. Man, I'm an icon, he lost to them. Clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in my cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Now you heard the rumors, yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover, never took a loss in this game. I'm the ruler, yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. If I lose you,